You know, we can just close our eyes. You also, and you
Yes,
follow
ma'am.
as I say.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
just close your eyes, Pooja, and sit silently and take a deep breath. And then exhale, and then just think that you are inhaling the positivity.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Hi, Pooja. How are you? It's
I'm really
such a pleasure that you invited me. I'm really thrilled to bits. I don't know, don't have enough words to thank you, Pooja. And
and
I'm really
I'm
impressed.
equally delighted to have conversation with you because it was a long time I was waiting to have this conversation, and truly today fortune is smile on me that I'm sharing my screen with you. Thank you so
I
much.
think that the feelings are mutual, Pooja. I admire you, and I have a lot of respect for the work that you're doing. And let's grow together, let's shine together, and
Yes,
all the
ma'am.
best, all the best.
Likewise. Likewise, I'm also looking forward have a insightful conversation with you, and
Sure.
I definitely I'm sure that I will learn a lot of things from you.
Let's keep our fingers crossed and let's
Yes,
dig in.
ma'am.
Yes. Ready
Yes.
to start.
Yeah. So, ma'am, I know Sindhuja, ma'am, about you very well, but for other, would you mind to introduce yourself?
Okay, so my name is Sindhuja, and thanks a lot, Pooja, for inviting me here. I am an English teacher. I have been teaching and have past few years experience of teaching in good international schools. But I took sabbatical, and now I'm creating content on YouTube. I also mentor students, and I am fond of writing. I write on LinkedIn, and I'm also fond of poetry, writing small poetry on nature. So, not much about me. My passion is teaching. Whatever little knowledge that I have, I should not let it go waste. If it is even helpful to a handful of people, a little bit, and if the audience grows, I'll be very happy. But whatever audience I have, whatever learners I have, I feel very blessed, to share my knowledge with them.
Lovely, ma'am, lovely. And like you have such a calm and composed presence. And I
Thank you so
believe
much.
that many of us, would love to learn from your perspective. And I would like to ask few thought-provoking question because I listened one day, means connecting with you that you were sharing your view of point about meditation, how we should be calm from inside.
Yes,
So
yes.
related this question that it
Yeah.
suits your personality actually. That's why I have picked some question related to it. So
Thank you so much. Yes, we will go ahead with this conversation. This is also very close to my heart. Meditation. Should I start? So, many people, we always think of what is meditation, and I was always, after meditation. And I heard this buzzword everywhere. It was floating around on YouTube, in magazines and newspapers that meditate, meditate. And I always used to wonder, what is meditation? How do you meditate? करना
yeah,
क्या होता है इसमें? How do you meditate? Once I started, reading and just listening to podcasts. And then I joined group. I got up today. We are able to, talk, take care of our family, cook food, do the daily routine. Even the daily routine is a blessing. So which we fail to notice sometimes. So meditation is just simply sitting quietly and just seeing that where is your breath going. No,
yeah,
whenever we can have a guided meditation later on in this session, that just 2 minutes we can just meditate. Just see where the breath is going, how it is going inside the nasal canal, then entering the
yeah,
lungs, the windpipe, then esophagus going into and diaphragm going into the lungs, and how is it? It is cleaning inside. It
yeah,
is pushing out the carbon dioxide when we exhale. So just imagine that all the clutter is going out and only the divine blessing is entering. So
yeah.
after some time, it happens that we are in a state of calmness, and that
Yeah.
is meditation.
Oh,
That is
wow,
meditation.
ma'am. Wow, you nailed it. And like the way you gave this explanation scientifically as well as spiritually also. So
Yeah,
you hit the nail. And I would like to say that in a hustling, bustling life we are living, and especially women, we are running like a headless chicken, morning to till night. And at the end of the day, we find like we did nothing for
yes,
ourselves. If 10
exactly.
minutes, if we are sitting quietly and focusing on our breathing and like because earlier I used to think like how to meditate.
Exactly.
As you said, like I used to search on YouTube, and
Mm-hmm.
I used to ask to like monk and who did do this meditation, like how to do, because whenever I sit quietly, like these kind of to do list, like I have to do this, yeah,
Exactly.
my kids are doing this, like where they are, like how to meditate, like I was fully unaware about it. Like the
Mm-hmm.
day I think like okay, it's okay, I have to sit quietly, whatever thoughts are coming in my mind, just go with flow. And
Mm-hmm.
like one my brother-in-law, they suggested me that like you should sit and to be like try to be calm from inside and take a deep breath and focus on your exhale, inhale, that
Exactly.
only focus on those things. Then I
Mm-hmm.
realized, yes, yeah, it is the, and because like our mind generate lots of thoughts within
Exactly.
second. So if we sit quietly and try to focus on it, then we find even 5 and 10 minutes are more than enough to be
More
calm
than enough, you know.
inside.
It releases a lot of happy hormones in our body, you know. Stress
Yes,
is the main cause of majorly all the diseases. You know, when we
yes,
are stressed, a lot of diseases, you know, they can be formed in our body. But when we sit quietly, a lot of happy hormones are released. Our
yes,
cells are at peace. We
dopamine,
can talk to our
other,
body that everything is fine, everything is well. And, you know, we should not feel guilty about any kind of thought that whatever guilt and shame and hurt we carry. Somebody said
yes,
something, we are hurt. Somebody did not listen to us, we think that we are not respected. No, that is their perspective. Whatever they are saying, it is their perspective. How we
yes,
react to it is the cause, is the reason that how
yes,
we will, you know, go about in our daily life and then in our future life. So we
yes,
must learn not to just be bamboozled, you know, be fooled by whatever everyone says or every. We must have a calm
yes.
demeanor. Just
And
learn.
don't, yes, and we shouldn't think about past, because as we know that past is history. Like we can't do anything. Whatever
We
happened,
cannot
happened for a
avoid it.
reason. Don't cry on spilled milk.
No,
And
no
for
need to
future
cry.
also, we have concern about future, because who knows after 5 minutes, after like tomorrow, what would happen?
What happens?
So
So
we
why
should,
not enjoy the present? Why not enjoy each
yes,
and every moment, the present, everything? We should be
yes,
grateful for each and every blessing, each and
yes,
everything in our house. We are eating food, we are getting nutrition. We must
yes,
bless the food. We must bless the farmers who grew the crop, the transporters
yes,
who brought the food to our table. No, there are so
yes.
many things that we can be grateful for. But sometimes
And
people say that what is there in my life? There is nothing to be grateful for. That
yeah, and we should always count our blessing. We
exactly.
always nowadays, like fast-paced era, we are just try to compare ourselves. We
Mhm.
always forget like every flower has their own season to bloom and bloom. So why we are
Exactly.
comparing? Maybe their situation, their condition, is totally different. Even two same people, we are living in the same family, same house. We can't
Mhm.
compare to each other. But
Exactly.
like
We
we
must
are
trust the process.
human.
Yeah, we must trust the process. We must trust
Yeah,
the Lord, the divine, that whatever He has designed for us, whatever the plan,
yeah,
whatever, everyone's trajectory is different, everyone's path is
yeah,
different. We do not know what they have suffered and how their life is shaping. Worry about them. Just be
yeah,
concerned about ourselves.
yes, ma'am. It's okay. It's
All.
okay. I couldn't agree with you more, because it happened with us. Every time we think about past and future, and we miss the our present, which is really beautiful. And we have to think about. We should think about like not that much, but like we as a human, like we
Mhm.
always think like so. In this way, we can say that our mind, if you are meditate 10 to 15 minutes, so your mind would be calm and composed. Then you can generate new ideas, thinking,
Yes,
like
yes, yes.
will definitely help us to
So,
take
you
decision.
know, I can give an analogy here. Like if you take a handful of dust and just pour
Yes,
it in a bucket and stir
yes,
it, you know, what will happen? The entire water becomes dirty. But if you
yes,
let it sit for some time, the entire dust settles at the ground. Similarly,
yes,
when we sit quietly, all the bombardment of thoughts, negative,
yes,
positive, and apprehensions and fear, shame, everything will try to settle down because you know the
yes,
All souls are pure. We all want to be happy. The ultimate goal of every soul is to be happy. And
Yes.
we are clouded with so many thoughts that we forget that what is our real purpose on this earth, to be happy. When we are happy, we will make our family happy, we will make our people
Yes.
around happy. So that is
True.
what meditation brings to us.
Yes, ma'am. And if you are happy, as you said, like especially we are, if the women of the house, because we are the home ministers. So if we are happy, so we can create a positive ripple effect. So everyone can happy and they will live. And even what is the matter at the end of life, what matters a lot? Like no
Happiness.
money, no
Oh
name,
yes,
fame,
yes,
only your
yes,
happiness, your inner peace. It really matters a lot.
true, 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 Pooja. I just agree with you that we are all working. We are striving for happiness. Why are
Yes.
we making content? Because it makes us happy. Why are our
Yes.
husbands working? Because it gets money. And then we live
Yes.
happily. Everything comes back to one thing: is happiness. No? So
Happiness. Yes.
we must try for it. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. So,
Okay,
like,
so
ma'am, like it's a imaginary question that what happened your life when your mind finally become calm? Then what happened in our life?
oh, no, that is a feeling of bliss, ecstasy.
Yes,
When you don't feel anything, it's
yes,
pure bliss. Like you are sitting on the top of a mountain with clouds floating around, or you are sitting on a beach and just meditating, and the sun is setting or the sun is rising. You are closing, birds are twittering, a breeze is blowing. You don't have a iota of doubt about anything in the world. You are just assured that everything will be taken care of. There is our Father, Bhagwanji, who's taking care of everything. When
yes.
all these things happen, now that is pure bliss and ecstasy. That happens.
Yes, and if you are calm and composed, so you are meditating, so your positivity increases. And if you are positive, I have seen like then you can see everywhere positive, you can attract positivity. But if you
Yes,
are
sure.
negative, your mind is full of chaos, noise, then if even though you are positive, like you have everything, then you feel that I don't have this thing. You always think,
Exactly. Our
even
thoughts
you,
are very magnetic. Thoughts are very magnetic. Like attracts
yes,
like. Like it is written in the book Secret and all, so many
yes,
self-help books that we attract what we think of.
what we
So
think, yes.
we just start
The,
doing these things, start practicing things like practicing gratitude,
yes.
stopping by and smelling a flower, stopping by
Yes,
and just, walking. A child is walking with the mother and jumping in the puddles. We are afraid, when we walk in the rain, we are afraid that our clothes will get dirty. See, look
yes.
at this poor child enjoying the rain,
If
walking and
you are,
splashing the dirty
yes,
water. So that
yes,
is have that childlike innocence, have that childlike happiness. No fear that I'm holding the hand of my mother, everything will be taken care of.
yes,
That is what is wanted. No, that is what is
yes.
needed in life.
And there is no doubt, ma'am, there's something is their superpower. And who is holding our hand? If you have a leap of faith, like a true belief on God, that then you will become a as like child that you have God and everything is holding like they can manage and you can enjoy your life just because everything has written earlier and
Yes.
like everything and even I have seen ma'am there is a connection whatever you are doing their connection after some time you will feel okay this happened after that like okay this
Yes,
happening with
yes,
me.
sure. There is a
Yes,
connection. And sometimes, Pooja, just sit back and whenever you are very troubled, sit back and think that in the past something was troubling you. But
yes,
now it is over. It was taken care of. So
yes,
whatever problem right now we have, that will also be taken care of. I will
yes,
think about this in future that it was not such a big deal. It was not such a problem. I was making a mountain of a molehill.
yes,
It was not
yes.
a issue. No, we
And
make.
whatever happened with us, like there is a connection, as I already mentioned. And after some time, you feel that okay, this has happened because of it. Like I became more stronger, more
Yes, yes.
little capable to do
Every
to handle
situation.
other situation.
Right. Every situation teaches us something. It
Yes,
comes in our life to teach us something. It is
yes,
not, nothing is, everything is coincidence, everything
yes.
is planned. We are here to learn a lesson. And if we
We have
fail to
to just
recognize that
leap of
lesson, then
faith.
the life keeps on repeating the same thing in a loop again and again. If we learn
Yes,
that lesson, then that book is closed and then another book is opened and then we have to
yes.
learn another lesson.
And our life is just like a book. Every new page has new discovery, new invention,
Yes,
new creativity. It's a
yes,
kind of
yes.
amalgamation of experiences, imagination, and true
Mhm.
living, like how you are living. Because we miss the actually, because we always think. So don't think too much and give your life rope to God hands and be
Exactly.
positive
Hold
and
his hand,
count.
hold his hand and be positive. Yes, hold his
Yes,
hand and just feel it. I know that you are taking care of me. And be honest with your work that you're doing. That is the
yes,
thing. It's not like just simply sitting and daydreaming. Keep on
yes.
doing your work, keep on taking action. That I am
Yes.
working hard, I am doing my work honestly, and I leave the rest in your hands. Now you
Yes,
take care. If the
like
success
in
is not
Hindi.
coming to you immediately, then don't get, boggled up that, okay, I'm not getting success, others are getting success. Keep on doing your work.
Yes,
My husband, my children, they also keep on saying that whenever I sometimes get affected by views or something, you know, so they say that you
yes,
keep on doing your work. Don't
yes,
worry.
yes.
It
Even
is
my
bringing you
husband also, ma'am.
happiness.
Because they
Yeah.
are experienced, and on the basis of
Hmm.
their experience, they give
Their
us
experience,
suggestions.
they
So
guide us,
don't think about and ups and
hmm.
down, pass, fail. It's a part and parcel of our life. Even
Yes.
this morning, I was listening on YouTube that it's a life. After 10 years, this is not matter like these things, comparison,
Hmm.
failure, past. Like it is not going to hamper our peace of mind. The only thing how you are positive and how you are counting your blessing and you have attitude of gratitude, so definitely you would feel that calmness. Maybe from outside you are surrounded by negative people, you are not getting success, but if you have
Hmm.
inner peace, then it will give you the kick that you have to restart. Because
Exactly.
I heard lots of failures after, like lots of failure they get success. Why? Because they are
Hmm.
positive from
They're
inside.
persistent. They're persistent. They keep on doing
Yes,
their work. They keep on doing their work. They're persistent. Even if
yes,
you see the well, if you are taking out the water from the well, there's a rope, so it
yes.
makes a mark even on the cemented thing.
Stone.
So
Yes.
if we keep on doing our work, there will be a mark.
Yes.
We will
Practice
leave an
makes
impact.
time perfect.
We will leave an impact on
And
someone. So
I
do are
feel
you?
nostalgic that when you give this example, my favorite teacher used to give this example that one bamboo basket example, that when you keep fill water on it, then after some time it broaden our horizon. Like then you can fill the water. And the next one is that well, that if you are keep practicing your hard work, definitely pays off. No matter like but you should be consistent towards your journey. Otherwise, like there is no brainer if you are distracted from your path. So how we would expect that success? So if you are keep doing, so definitely your hard work pays off. And I think
It
we are running out of time, ma'am. So one last
oh
question I would ask, because that day you were giving that how to purify our soul, because you were saying that some fumes
yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
at
So
the end of the day.
I have learned this from, and it's a heartfulness meditation. We can do it here just now, just 2 minutes. We can just
Yes,
close our eyes. You also, and you
yes,
follow
ma'am.
as I say.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
just close your eyes, Pooja, and sit silently and take a deep breath. And then exhale, and then just think that you are inhaling the positivity in a form of a blue light, which is a blessing from divine. All the positivity, all the blessing that the divine is giving is coming into your body. It can be from the tip of your head, so it is entering your body. And then from the back of your body, whatever negative thoughts and guilts are there, it is leaving your body in the form of a black smoke. Huh? You just deep breathe, see the blue light entering your body and the black smoke leaving your body. So this is a kind of meditation that we can do in the morning and at night while going to bed, and it helps a lot. It helps to calm the thoughts. It helps to settle our thoughts. Okay, so did you feel it? Did you feel
Okay.
calm?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. I'm
And then
feeling like all negativity goes
yes,
from
it's
my body
yes.
and then
Whatever
becoming
thought,
positive.
Sometimes we feel a lot of shame, that guilt, that I have not done enough in the today. I planned to make a video, I did not make. I planned to edit, I could not do. I planned to clean a cupboard, I could not do. Leave everything. No, there is. You are never wrong. You are doing your best. You are the best version of yourself, and the divine is blessing you, and all the negativity is going out.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so we can open your eyes.
Mhm. And ma'am, like I'm thrilled because I also connected with mindfulness. I think
Yes,
Sri Ramchandra Mission. If
yes, Sri
you,
Ram Mission. Yes,
yeah,
yes, yes, yes.
I'm also part of
You are
that.
part of that? Yes, my
Mhm.
father introduced me to this, and I'm not a member of that, but I've read books. He gave me a book.
Yeah.
So,
Even I have a lot of collection of Ramchandra Mission, this, meditation and the way they give
yes,
spirituality. And there I find a different and unique kind of thoughts,
yes,
which
yes.
gives
And the
me positivity,
heartfulness
heartfulness.
meditations are available on YouTube on free.
Yeah.
Anyone can download, anyone can see, and they can sit back. It is
Yes.
what you want to search. We can
Yes.
scroll and search whatever we want. We want to,
Yes.
purify your soul. We can search for those kind of content.
Yes, and we should be, we should do this because it's very mandatory. Because as like our mobile is full of irrelevant things, so we try to declutter it. And even our house is full of chaos, cluttered. So we try to declutter. But when it comes to our body, we
Yes.
don't give priority to itself,
That is the last
So,
thing. We keep it aside. We keep it aside. Acha,
yes.
kar lenge. We will do it. Okay.
Yes,
This is the
always,
priority. This is
always
the
then
thing.
we keep it aside and we think about other thing. But what
Yeah.
is very indispensable for us, we just take it granted. So we should
Whereas
think about
if
it.
we do the other way round, sorry, if we start from ourselves, if we calm ourselves, then everything will be taken care of. When we are
Yes,
energetic,
everything will be
everything,
followed.
it makes us
Yes,
healthy, it makes us energetic, it removes our clutter, it cleans our
yes,
mind, it helps us connect with positive people, and it helps us not to be hurt by the things that which we do not like, because
yes,
we get a perspective that somebody else is saying something. It can be their perspective, it can be their thought process. They have a
yes.
trajectory, they have a journey. Maybe they do not know this thing, but I
But
am
yes,
inside.
but it's okay. Maybe like this video will definitely helpful for others, and they would learn a lot. As I already
I
at the
wish,
first,
I
I already
wish.
mentioned that I want to grab some positivity from your side, and really,
Like,
I'm feeling very light from inside. The way you give me that decluttered my mind as well as my body, and I want to keep touch with you always.
but
That
sure, we will have such meaningful conversations
yes,
whenever we can. We can keep on connecting like this. Even this was a pleasure, Pooja. I am
yes,
connecting to you for the first time. The pleasure is entirely mine. And you cannot
yes.
know that how I'm thrilled, how I'm grateful to you for giving me this opportunity. That
And I don't have any word to explain my happiness and how much I am feeling, that I can't express with word. But really, it was a very insightful conversation with you. I'm looking forward to connecting with you again and again. And this is
yes,
spirituality and this
thank you.
positivity what you created. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much because we are running out of time.
Thank you
Otherwise,
so
like
much,
I
Pooja. Sending a lot of positive vibes towards you, that flourish and achieve your goals. Lots of
yes,
wishes.
you too, ma'am. You too. Like likewise, like I also wish to you that you can definitely. I know that I have a true belief that you will definitely get success and reach your top notch.
Thank you,
Thank
thank
you.
you, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.